Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Conrad ke Samla hak sing baar labu mau nong rim bansnai kemadan artificial football taf hak kemadan jong kisnong umbuda kebala penmang pisa palat cipo Klur tengka. Kene kan day kemadan yelek kai football benengkong hari Bohoi district keban siang daki artificial taf neki pelang plastik. Kaderu kejingang nur kebas lemha jong kipai pak katain kiba je kejing yelek kai football. Hau neu mau nong rim labu ha kejingnya don lang menteri keteran yelek kai ba Syakliar Wajri UMLA kanong po ba Meral Bonds Aim, UMLA Kajirang Ba Sostines Sotun, Batki Officer ke State Sports Council, ke Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Batki Kinhun Ba Pero Per ke Ribhoi. Haba ajingren Menteri Rang Ba ulaong ba kene kede kesi ke badap dagi jingkir ku, par ke bansa jingkin mau na ke benta kene ke tain, ha ke ba satang kato kene benai kan sayok no ke mendane lekai ke babet ke babiang. Menteri Rang Ba ulaong ba Samla klepen maha hakikam lekai bat wanra medal bat kenam ke jela lada ai kalat kiki ulaong bakane kede kejingkut jingmut jang Sorkar ban yai peteng ban Kyntiew hakika melekai bar kejing snai ki madan ula pentip baya menta ki projek bakot hadu new spark Klur tengka la pentri kam ban snai ki madan melekai bo pero kejela bat jankot ya ka saus spark Klur tengka la penmang ya une usnem mang tengka ban wan ban pentri ya ki madan melekai Conrad lai tu bag Sorkar kelabu ya ka mang tengka ba hajar praspa Klur tingka na kebenta ki Samla kebakan tup yaki kam yelekai keput ketem ke kolsyo bat keseng kam seng jam kiba kejintmu kelong bansai pertei ya kesap baki Samla kejela kidon haba kren halol keroy kesan dia barok lang Menteri Rang Ba aloong palada kejela kedai banroy la ban penking ne penlit jimut tang haiselong tura bat jawai henre man la kisnong bat ikon siru kidai ban jam sekmat
Ia meli budan buram jongpi nak kapor syakapor. Ia kabang amla nyosu hadukan usin bailawan banong siang ba sobhase ai koi ke stadium yang ia ponong bangila don kampala. Tang sisin amla nyau kan usin sui lawan mi badi bala kerpan ia kabangin ai ke stadium. Adap da kajikemen ia kabang nganong lingba kajingkit kle lingba kajing trisdom kajung i milala pengin penurlong tak kasih. Ngai kubeli kerpang i ya kajing trisdom kajung i ban ngadang kitbok ya kabanang ni sakman inang kamla susu menteri nakam tak kajing tha song ke konstitusi kajung i bat kajilahi barok kowe. Ni kum ke Sorkar i ya sakman ha kabai dei ya kabang ikwa bangin ai ya kijing don kam nakam tak pun Samla ba i ya ka sports ken kajila
projects worth 700 crores right now going on in the sports department. Another 200 crores is being sanctioned as we speak. And another additional 200 crores will be sanctioned in the coming years. Hence, in the 10 years of the MDA government, there will be over 1,000 crores worth of investment being made in the sports sector. And this does not include the large stadium, the biggest stadium that will come up in Maukanu, which is amounting to 385 crores, which will be in the new Shillong Township area. And hence you can see the kind of effort that the sports minister and the sports department has been putting and this government has been putting for sports. And this particular foundation stone laying ceremony is just one of the examples of that commitment that we have towards the young generation and the youth of our state. It is only when we are able to give holistic development will true development come to our state. And again, it's not just in words, but in our actions also that we are showing it. These kind of artificial turfs will come out in more than 20 constituencies and different rural areas of our state. Natural turf stadiums will come out. Indoor stadiums are coming out. We'll be having track and field stadiums that will be coming out. And in the next couple of weeks to maximum a month, 13.88 crores is going to be sanctioned to put up a track and field stadium in Ribhoi district. And this is being done for you, so that all of you are able to practice and perform and use this infrastructure so that you can start shining. You can start earning and getting more medals for your district, for our state maybe one day, and maybe even for our country.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center